So what are the key preliminary quantities? These are the item we need. Our core purpose is to identify these item in this exercise. So what he did is guardhouse footprint, right? So net internal floor area. So when we say internal floor area, it's mean that it's talking about this internal area, this area. Okay. So I can do one more thing for you guys, that I'll create a new job here. So job code will be, of course, guardhouse. Just give the first two digits, and here you will say guardhouse estimation. Okay, just leave the notes, right? Go to next. Okay, so this is how we can upload our drawings. Okay, so here you need to see where is your document. Okay, so this you just need to check this one, because we need this guardhouse model, and then we'll go to next. Here what we need to do, we need to have the TIF file. So we need to convert this PDF to TIF file. So TIF file is basically Plan Swift using it. So here, if you want to keep this black and white, just keep this shade, but we need this in a color shape, so we use 256 color. So then you need to go to next, right? So if you want to attach any Excel file, you can do it. Otherwise, just leave it and go to next, and here it will be finished. So this is the file that we just uploaded. The very first step is what we're gonna do is we will basically rotate this. In order to rotate it, go to page and rotate left. So when you rotate left, if you can see that this is the whole drawing, okay, that we're talking about, right? So when we say guardhouse footprint, so it means that so I'll use the highlight tab. So in a highlight tab, so we'll use this one, right? So it says all about this area, right? And we will say that this is the area what we're talking about. Okay. So the second says net internal floor area. So net internal floor area means what is inside of these walls. So this is all the area what we consider, right? So this is internal area. Then we have workstation vinyl flooring, right? So that we need to see, this is the workstation, and the kind of floor here it's using as vinyl uh, flooring. So how do it get it, the vinyl flooring? So this is workstation, and as you can see, this is the vinyl tile. So that's why he identified this as workstation vinyl flooring, and it gives the quantity 5.16 square meter. Then we have toilet ceramic flooring. So if we see this is the toilet, and it says this is ceramic unglazed tiles, right? So he's identified this from this point, right? So ChatGPT read this room finish schedule and just put it over here. Then we have a concrete sidewalk assumed 800 mm wide, so that we will see where it identified as the sidewalk. Okay, so he also mentioned he assumed, so this is the sidewalk as you can see, and sidewalk line, he assumed that this could be the area, and this is also sidewalk. Okay, so he also mentioned it that concrete sidewalk assumed 800 mm wide. So the width he assumed was 800 mm. So the total will be 12.16 square meter. Okay, and but it done it to all the way around, right? So this is 800. What he gets the dimension. So this is 800 from the plan, and it is all the way to this side. Okay, so it goes all the way here and moves to this direction, right? So that is called as the concrete sidewalk.